Hey guys, and welcome to yet another tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to cut a pencil skirt, a long pencil skirt with a slit at the back. So first of all, this fabric is 2 yards. Now it depends on your body size that will determine how many yards, or your client's body size. For me, I use 2 yards because my hip is 47 and the allowance I'm going to add will make it like 51 inches. And then this fabric is not up to, it's not 36 yards for like a yard. You know, this is small Ankara, so it's not like 36 yards, it's less than 36 yards. So that's what I'm going to use to cut the skirt. So hence I just make sure I use 2 yards, and if I cut the allowance and everything to be like extra. So I folded this point, I folded into two, then into two again. So this other into two I folded, which is into two, then another into two. This second into two I folded is my hip measurement divided by 4 plus 1.5 inch allowance, and then I left the extra. So this will be for our zip and our bolt allocation. I hope you understand. So we'll be taking the measurement like this. So I drew a starting line, and I'll be using the remaining inch as the length of the skirt. So I drew a starting line. So let's take the measurement. So for the band, I'll be taking 1.5 inch for the band, and then from there I'll take the measurement. I hope you understand. For this starting line, I'll take 1.5 inch up for the band, and then I'll take the measurement down. So the 1.5 inch, my hip, waist to hip, I'll be using 9 inch. Then the remaining is the length. So yes, it's fine. The remaining, I'll be using the remaining for the length. So what I will do next is not, this is not. So because this is going to be for the, because this is going to be for the hip line, I'll just take the measurements. For this point, I will take, this part will be to decide why this is the midpoint, which is the zip. So I hope you understand. So I'll be taking the measurement this way. So from here, I'll take my hip divided by 4, which is here. And then I'll take an allowance of 1.5 inch, which is here. For the waist, I'll be taking the measurement here. Then I'll also add an allowance of 1.5. So I will take, at the length part, at the down part of the dress, I'll take the waist measurement plus 1 inch. So you can take if you don't want it, if you want it to pencil, you can just take your waist measurement. I don't want it to, because I'm not using a curve ruler. Okay. Yes, I didn't connect it like this so that it can. I hope you understand. I took the waist, divided by 4 plus 1.5 inch. I took the hip from this point divided by 4 plus 1.5 inch, and the same for the down part. I did the same here for the down part. Then also for the zip side, at this part, for the zip allowance, I'll be taking 1.5 inch. While for the hip side, I'll be taking 2 inch. Depending, you might do 2.5 inch. Then I'll go down here by 5 inch, and I'll mark. So here to this point. Then at this point, I'll just take 1.5 inch down. So I don't know if you understand. So this will give the butt allowance to sit, like for the butt allocation, and then I took the extra. So I'll go ahead to cut this out, then cut this on cut the lining for the fabric, then I'll show you what next to do. So also I'll be adding this piece of fabric to the skirt, but it will be at the down part. So I'll check the picture and be sure where I'm allocating it, but to be at the down part, I'll just show you briefly. So for this point, I'll raise this ½ inch up, which is this. I will take it ½ inch up, and then at this point, this doesn't have anything to do with the back side. So this point, I'll take it ½ inch down. All I'll do is, I'm not going to cut the up, but I'll just mark where the ½ inch is for both sides. You can see that I notch for the back and the front. So I'll take this this point now. So that I can make the side allowance. From this edge, I would slant it down. So let me show you what I will do. So from this edge, I'll take it, I'll slant it down. You see what I'm saying? So all I'll do is I'll just fold it into a bit to out of stitch this. You get out of stitch this on this fabric, on this point, and then I will use the line to turn the down part. Joined the lace to the form pattern, and as you can see the back, so I went ahead to iron it. I took I minus the zip allowance. I took 4.5 inch for the dart. Now for the opening, I took down to like 13 inches for opening because I want it to be long, and then I took for my slit opening. So depending on your customer, you have to measure the slit opening for your customer that is comfortable for your customer. So I took my slit opening here. So I'll be sewing from this point to this point. That's what I'll be sewing. And then I said when I finish sewing, I will pin the remaining place for the zip allowance because I want to join the skirt completely. So I'll pin here when I come in, and when I'm back, I would, after sewing here, I would use hemming gun to iron this place open. So let's go shopping. I'm gonna head to join the done the dart for the front, and then for the back, let me show you what it looks like behind. So for the darts, for the back, this is what the back looks like. Like I said, I will join from here to here, which I've done, and then I use hemming gun to iron this place to keep it together, and then I went ahead to use pin to hold the zip allowance. So what I want to do is I want to join both. I want to go ahead to join both sides. So now I will take the measurement, which is your hip, your waist divided by 4 here, I'll take waist to hip, your hip measurement here, and then I'll go ahead to join it to actually to fit, like a skirt to fit, and then I will leave only this place. So this will be the only rough edge that we are going to have. This point will be the rough edge that we are going to have. So let me go ahead and do that now. So I've gone ahead to join these skirts to make it a full skirt, like as you can see, and then I went ahead to cut 4 inches. So when you fold it into two, it's 2 inches. And when I stitch it with half an inch, I will be left with 1.5 that I actually took out from the skirt. So now what to go ahead and do is to attach it, and attach it from this point. I'll just attach it around, and then I will serge this up. What I mean is I'll weave the rough edge. Any rough edges, I'm going to leave it out. I'll just leave it out. That's what I'm doing. And then after attaching the band, I'll fix the zip at this side. I hope you understand. So you can go ahead, if you know, you can go ahead to just close here to make it smooth like this edge. And then so there's only this place you weave. So I'll go ahead and do it and fix the zip and show you the final look. So this is the end of the tutorial. This is our skirt. I fixed the band and I fixed the zip. So all I will need to go is to go and weave this edge, this rough edge, weave the rough edge, and then you're done with your skirt. And then also don't forget, because you are doing a knit turning, please, when you are ironing, try to iron this edge so that it can lay very flat because of the allowance. So this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.